Welcome back once more to my channel, guys. So today let's go give you another update from the new government house being put in place in Awka, the capital city of Anambra State. So I think around last month or 2 months ago, I gave you guys updates concerning this new government house, and today I want to go and give you another update. And I will say that each time we visit, we notice different thing from what we met before, and I can say is work in progress. They are doing their best to make sure that this project is completed in no due time. So the last time I visited, there is a lot of things that is not here that is here right now, even though they don't give us access to the inside the main venue of the government house. You can only have access of the outside, video the outside to anywhere you want, but no access to to enter inside the premises. So for now, I don't know the reason best known to them, until maybe when it's finally completed, maybe they will give us access to go and see the beauty of the place. So I visited there and I noticed that the heavy work is currently going on there right now. A lot of new things are being put up there currently. Work is going on, seriously going on there. And what else that I noticed when I visited this location is that putting the road in order and the gutters in order and everything, I think, has been completed. And the both sides of the road has their own walkways, so they have walkways on the both side of the road, and the gutters have been completed. And again, what I noticed there is the what else, the demarcation also has been completed, because the road is demarcated into two, though not everywhere is demarcated. Before the main entrance of that the government house is demarcated down to somewhere before the second gate by the back. Then the demarcation stops. The rest of it don't have any demarcation, but from beginning to end it has walkways. So, and if you check very well on the video, you see that the fence they put up there is a very mighty fence, and also the fence is receiving new looks. The fence is receiving new looks. If you watch very well, a lot of design is being made on the fence, though not everywhere has received the new look, but they are just trying to put up new looks on the fence, and it's gradually going down little by little. So if you watch the video throughout, you will see a lot of the new things in the video. Some of the sections of the gutters concerning the one that has to do with the road has been completed. The only place that needs gutters and the rest is within that front gate, which I believe something is delaying it. And once that thing that is doing it is done, other things that are supposed to be there will be put up. So they are doing their best to make sure that everything started working properly. So in no due time, I believe the work will be completed. A lot of work is going on there. So this is only update I have for you guys now. The road has not been tied, stone base has not commenced, nothing has been done except that the gutters have been completed. The demarcation has been, I think, completed, or maybe partially complete. So I don't know if the demarcation will still be extended beyond this level, so but we will keep on following the work as they are doing it, and finally we will know if they will still extend it or not. So if you check everything in my video, you notice that if you watch the last video, the previous video of this particular place, and you watch this one, you notice a very huge difference in the in the currently going on work. So and guys, this is the only update we have for you today, and we also begged you, like we have been begging you before, kindly click and subscribe to the channel, because only 10% is subscribed, about 90% are not subscribed. Kindly subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share for others to see, to get to wider audience, and don't forget to like the video. Thank you guys for watching, and in my next video I will still be bringing you more updates, because on this one I've made out my time, and this period will be giving you all the latest update concerning all the infrastructures that is currently going on in Anambra State. Thank you guys for watching, and do have a wonderful day.